Soft tissue injuries are common in California truck accidents. The sudden impact can lead to falls, twists, or blunt force trauma. Soft tissue injuries like sprains, strains, and contusions affect muscles, tendons, and ligaments and may not be visible on X-rays or MRIs. The amount your soft tissue injury may settle for depends on both economic and non-economic damages, including hospital bills, ongoing and future treatment, lost income, physical therapy, necessary surgeries, pain and suffering, and loss of enjoyment of life. Severity plays a big role. The higher your expenses, the greater your pain, the larger your potential settlement. When it comes to seeking compensation for your soft tissue injuries, your best bet is to work with an experienced California truck accident attorney, just like you'll find here at Maison Law. The team at Maison Law will gather evidence, build a strong case, and negotiate with insurance providers to maximize your settlement. So if you or someone you love was injured in a California truck accident, contact Maison Law today for a no-cost, no-obligation consultation and case assessment.